Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart.
You guys want to learn how to transform yourself into the Day of the Dead Miguel look? Then keep on watching. So first we are going to start off with the face paint. Now the face paint is pretty simple, like mostly everyone can do it, it's that simple. So what we'll be needing is some various face paints. So I am going to be using black, white, orange. So we are going to start off with first putting white all over our face. So now that we have the white aspect done and the little bones here, we are going to continue on with filling in the black. Everywhere there's black, there will be black. I'm going to be adding the orange dots around the eye, and Miguel has around 5 on each side, so I am going to attempt to draw a perfect circle. There is our face paint. Miguel wears a red hoodie, which I am going to put on. You want to zip up the hoodie so that it hides the face paint. Next, I am going to add this black wig that I have. That is what we are looking at. Then we just have to put the hoodie over. Oh, not that much over. And we are Miguel from Coco. So guys, this is the finished look. De la Cruz. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me turning myself into Miguel from Coco. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more, because I have new face paint videos and cosplay videos on Thursdays and more. So if you guys have suggestions for any other cosplays I should do, type them in the comments below, because I love reading your guys' suggestions. And I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And tell me, do you guys love Coco? And I'll see you in the next video. Remember me.